Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As part of our Python programming language series, we are in the next video where we need to write a Python program which it takes hour as an input, whether it's a first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour, sixth hour, 0 0 onwards till 23. 0 to 23, these are all the hours, right? And we need to tell whether we need to print am or pm, afternoon or forenoon. I think so, I don't know exactly the full name. Am or pm, how you will tell am? Morning till 12 p.m, sorry, 00 to 11:59 in the morning, it is known as am. 12 to 23, 12 to 23 is known as pm, correct? This is a normal thing which everyone knows, but we need to write a program. Now if you consider if you consider, we have basically only, again, if you observe, we have only two parts, okay? Either it's pm or EAM, correct? See, you people understand how I am drawing this and how I am thinking and how I am explaining and how I am writing the condition. These are the things you should learn from this video, so that whenever you got another question, you need to understand how to write the code. This is the main motive of this video, okay? Whoever are watching the series, please maintain some notes also. Now see, we have hours 0 0 2, 0 1, 0 2, 0 3, like this, and so on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 24-hour format, 15, and so on. 21, 22, 23, 24 is not possible, okay? Why? Because 0 is there, okay? This is the time, like this. It will go like this, like this, like this, correct? From 0 to 23. Am I right? 0 to 23. Now, what is the breaking condition here? Correct. Till 11. Till 11. Till 11, it is AM. After 11 to 23, it is PM. So, what is the breaking? Pattern breaking. Pattern breaking is either 11 or 12. You can consider anything. If it is something, let's the variable be time. If it is time greater than 11, we can write the condition like this. Or else we can write time less than 12. Time less than 12. Any condition is fine based on your wish. It's a programmer wish. At first only I had told a video known as rules of programming. What the rules? You may write like one way, you may write like this, you may write like this, I may write like this. If input output is matching, till then both of us are right. If input output is not matching, we are wrong, or else everyone is right, okay? Now basically, what is the input for this? The input for this is time, but in hour. Time in hour. Why? Because if you tell time, then you will ask hour, then minute, then second. These all nonsense, we don't need. We need only hour, okay? Hour. Hour means hour, you know, right? Hour. Now what is the output? We need to tell whether it is am or pm. Okay, we need to tell whether it's AM or PM. Only two cases. We have only two cases, not more than that. Okay, right. Now, how to do this? Whenever we have to, you know, right? Again, I no need to repeat this reverse story. From mountain top, the flow is coming like this. It will go either this flow or either this flow. Correct. These both the flows. Now, see, just very simple. Now, first I will get the time as input. Basically, not time, hour. So that I am using variable. Good variable names are indication that you are a good programmer. Okay. Why? Because not good program. Actually, they will not give good marks like this. Whenever you use good variable names, even though you are not there, if a person reading your code, easily he can understand. If I tell that without this, I use like X, I am the evaluator of your code, whoever evaluating, I will get confusion. Why he is using X? X is a second, minute, hour, calendar date, or his name, or his age. For what purpose he is using? Why should I give mark? I should understand X. I should decode. All these things I should do. If you write simply hour, no evaluator, whoever correcting your code, he will think that, oh, for hour purpose, he is using hour. Then it is fine. Okay, hour we have 00 to 23 hours only if it is 24-hour format, or else 0 to 12. In case of normal format like this, easily you can understand. So that use good variable names. Hour is an integer, they cannot be 1.5 hour like this. So that I am using integer. So I am typecasting into integer. Now correctly observe, if hour less than sorry, if the hour value is less than 12, less than 12 means which part? This part, am I correct? In this part what I should print? Am, correct? Am. So that I am printing am. Else what I should print? Pm. Else what I should print? Pm. That's all. It's a very simple code. I hope you people understand this. Why I am getting using less than 12 or else like this. Some people can write the same code in this way. Just they will take hour int of input of if hour greater than 11, greater than 11 means what they are considering. Greater than 11 means this part, right? This part what it should print? Pm, correct? Pm, print Pm. Else print am. Both the codes are right. If I am giving 10 as morning, 10 o'clock as an input, then what the first code will do? 10, 10 less than 12, true, what it will print? Am. So it is printing in this code am. Okay. Now second code, now I am giving again 10, 10 greater than 10 greater than 11 false, 10 greater than 11 false, what it will print? Else part am. So both the codes are right. It's a programmer wish. How to write a code is a programmer wish, based upon your understanding, your brain, how it recognized it, how you understand, like that you will write. No problem. Okay, both the things are right. Okay, now let's try to code it once. Now let's code it. Just see, very simple. Just I am taking hour. Hour is equals to int of input of. Just I am asking enter enter the time in hour. Enter the time in hour. So he will enter if hour value greater than 11. What I should print? Print it's PM. It's PM. Else. Okay. Else what I should print? AM. That's all. Just simply use. I am using online GDP compiler. You people can see. If you want, you can also use this. See, just I am running this code. How good it is asking. Enter the time in hour. So I am asking my hour is 22. 22. In case of 22, what it should print? PM, because it's night, right? PM. Yeah, this is correct. Our program is right. I hope I cleared all your doubts and this program is clear. If you really like this video, please give me one comment or like, at least share with your friends, guys. So my video will get a good reach. So if you give like also, my video will get a good reach. If you really understand this video, please give me a good like, subscribe, comment. Basically, it's the only way between you and me interaction. Please give me a good comment. I will feel very happy, and I am waiting for all of your comments. Okay, guys. Bye. Meet you in the next video.